Welcome to Simple Forex. First of all, note down today is 12th of December 2025. There is a news in 30 minutes, that means GMT 7 am. And then there is another news at 6 pm, but that news is not that important. Right? In 30 pm, in 30 minutes, there is German CPI news, and that is important enough for gold also. So let's talk about gold. Okay. If we go to hourly chart, we see gold. Let's see in a 15-minute chart. We can see this sideways movement. Okay. If you are following this channel, you know how to trade these things. If there is a sideways movement, then the next breakout will not come by breaking down the lower limit of this range. Okay. Next breakout will always come by breaking the upper limit of this range, because the previous trend has to follow, has to be recopied in the next thing, right? If there is a upside then sideways movement, then there will be upside next. If there is a downside and then sideways movement, then there will be downside again. Okay, so that's how it works. So right now, if we just look at this 15-minute chart, what we are seeing, we see this zigzag. First of all, this thing has been happening. It is a 15-minute chart. So after US close, this is happening in a low volume. There is a range. But our technical analysis says that this range should be broken on the upside. But how long? How far? To do that, we have to see the bigger scenario. In 30-minute charts, it's same. Even in 1-minute chart, it says same. Okay. 4-hour chart make it more simple. See guys, if this breakout happens, right, from yesterday's top, and yesterday top was, according to my chart, I don't know what your chart are saying, but according to my chart, gold was at 4290 yesterday, right? And then there is a great upside of at least 150 points. First of all, can you see here? Perfect double top. The only thing that is stopping me and making me little bit nervous is this. Okay? This. RSI is already at 70. So what RSI is saying? RSI is saying it's time to go down now. But the chart is saying it's time to go up. So what will I do as a trader? Okay, I'll go back to this 15-minute chart. I look at this thing. Okay, whole day. What I'll do, I'll look at this thing whole day, and as soon as it comes near, somewhere near this, right, this reason, around 4267, I'll take a trade with 50-point stop loss, right? If that trade goes here, I might book a partial profit and keep the 50% remaining in my stock, so that I can achieve the new high or second new high, second high in this gold chart around 4500, right? There's a very good upside, and thing is that if we look at this chart, look, there is no barrier till here. If it just goes beyond this 4290, there is no barrier above it. Okay, so there are 2-3 things. Either you can take a trade right now, put a stop loss here around 4256 or 4250, right? Or you can somewhere here, so your stop loss will be near and your risk reward ratio will be higher, right? Gun to my head, I think there is a chance of breakout. Only thing that is making me nervous is this RSI. But I think RSI can be stretched to 80, 85. So don't worry about it. If a breakout has to happen, RSI will not stop it. Okay. So that's how you trade. Another scenario that I can tell you guys is that, see, this range, let's say this range remains here for whole day. Then what will happen? This RSI will go down till 30. Then I can guarantee you that there will be a breakup, right? Because RSI will move to 30 and it will regain a new strength. And that time, that new strength will help it break out. But even right now, breakout is not that far, right? Just 8 points above. So, gun to my head, I'll say breakout will happen sooner rather than later. So that is the trade I'll take. I rather either I will take a trade right now or I will take a trade when it comes near here. Okay, but there is a risk in it. Ki before it comes here, it can move above this. And there is a 7 a.m. news. See, German. There was a time when Germany was a big economy and German news was important in gold also. But those days have gone. So I don't think so that it will work as a trigger. But still, it's good to keep that in mind, right? In the long term, what do I think about gold? See, look at this chart. Upside, sideways movement, upside. Again, this movement is going here, upside. As long as I see a lower low, you can see this low. If until I see a low below this, we cannot say that gold is coming down and all that nonsense. Okay, gold will go up and up. Don't worry about it. And see, somebody asked me what are these. This is 45 minutes, the 45 candles, 100 candles, 200 candles. Some people, put all their trading on these EMAs or this RSI or this chart. I have been doing this for almost 15 years now. I can tell you all these are needed. All these are needed. It doesn't matter you are using a stochastic, you are using RSI or stochastic or something else, right? You know how technical signals exhaust. They all exhaust same, and they are all lagging indicators, right? None of them are leading indicators. So your ingenuity is always needed there, and that's how you make money. Okay. Let me know, guys, if you have any question. Oh, maybe I'll see you tomorrow, or maybe I won't. See, actually, thing is that I'm very much happy with my trading. But somebody said that I should share my knowledge, so that's what I'm doing. Right? There is nothing I want more than you guys to succeed, because your success does not affect me. If you make $1,000, those $1,000 does not come out of my account. But I want you guys to stop making idiotic mistakes. I want you guys to stop making revenge trade kind of a thing. I want you guys to stop believing in sunk cost fallacy. Okay, just search it. And today I told you in the Euro USD analysis, simple. If you make X amount of loss in Y amount of time, then give it 4Y or 6Y time to recover. Faster you will try to recover the loss, more loss will follow you. Okay, so be patient. If you're right, in the long term, even in the medium term, you will make money. Yeah, but there will be days where you will make losses, so that's okay. This is life. You cannot win every day, and if you're winning every day, consider yourself luckiest piece of shit, because something bad is coming, and I hope nothing bad comes to you. Anyways, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, because at the end of the day, that is very important. I have spent a lot of time watching these charts, and they kind of make me machine like. But trust me, guys, people who love you are very important. These numbers are just that, numbers. They don't care about you, so you should not be worried about them that much. Okay, so let it be. We'll see you. I'll see you when I see you here. Okay, take care. Bye bye.